Hey friends, we'll be back into this video. On this video, I know the previous video you didn't really understand, and some of you guys, I think you might have got confused a little bit. So I said this is for you guys that are using CDN or document, blah blah document and picking it from notation on picking it straight from Google, and I left that to you. And this is mine because I'm using here offline version. I'm just going to remove all the stuff for and then explain to you something. So I really think you guys really have some idea over that. So I'm going to just pick that off and we get an idea on pick this. I'm going to use one as ID, not a class for now. And then you can also add something when documents ready, click something, maybe something to work. I'm going to use something called, how do you use something called maybe the document ready event. So we are going to get started with something document get ready. Maybe how to use document, no, doc doc document document ready event, or when getting ready if document is ready. So this is an ID. Now this is it. You need to call for JavaScript jQuery kind of a method which gives us to write that given stuff. So we need to write a method that all the element has to be loaded, then jQuery takes action over the page. And to do such kind of stuff, this is what you have to do. You can either write this code here, or you can write it below here, or you can write it on top of your program, no matter. So I'm going to give mine within here, underneath the code down here. So this is what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to just simply say maybe if maybe I want that thing to work. Remember, whenever writing jQuery, we need to start up with a $sign. And here I'm going to be writing something called a document. And then I simply say ready. When the document is ready, I want a given function to happen to this page, and that's how they write your code. So that's a simple way to write a jQuery code. Remember previously I was just explaining to you getting started with jQuery, writing the syntax, but now we want us to understand really how do you write a jQuery code. Now for instance, underneath there, I want something that when document is ready, what do I want? I want something to happen. Maybe for instance, I want that OSP dot hide. Now I want when the document has loaded, I want that page to hide for me that element osp.hide. Now this is good, but we have not taken an event. There's something I want us to explain there. If I refresh this page, I think you can see it has hidden now. I think you can see that. That implies that jQuery is really working up. And here I've used something called document.ready function. It implies when the document is done with the loading, when the page is done with the loading, when the body of the page is done with the loading up, I want jQuery to take impact, and I don't want this part of the page to be shown to the user. I don't want everyone to access the page. You see, that's the simple logic I'm trying to mean. Now that implies in a simple term, I'm speaking to that given element. It implies if I happen to come back here and I write another paragraph, like this. If I happen to write another paragraph and I put lorem kind of HTML element there, something like that, and try to run this, it does not mean that lorem will not be shown up. It is the other one that I said it will not pop up on the page because it's having a class that. You get? So that implies in simple term how you can definitely hide an element or by default in your HTML using jQuery. So this in simple term, I'm using something called jQuery document load method to pick an element. Though with the jQuery, I've also got their team for jQuery now, tQuery, they have also got another method. They're using another theme called, you can also just use a function, and then underneath the function this is another method. You call for the method how you want that element to be picked. Like for instance, document dot when document is ready, what do I want? You get? When document is ready, I want to declare their function also. You get? So you can also use this method. So this is this, so you can simply say document.ready blah blah this. Or if you're not so, you can also borrow the HTML, the JavaScript idea of defining a variable. You can also define your variable, maybe for instance x equals to maybe when document.get element maybe by ID, and then you specify it there. Though I'm not going to lie you, I'm not going to use these methods for now. Is it okay? I'm going to use what I'm going to simply say for now. I'm going to use this is what I'm going to use, and I don't want to confuse you guys too, since most of you maybe it's your first time to use jQuery and you have not yet taken time on it, so I don't want to confuse any of you. So guys, if you find this video interesting, please don't forget to subscribe to Always Be Pro so that you get chance each time I post a video like this. You'll always be notified on your PC, or you'll be notified on your email. And also from the other way around, if you want to support me, I'm going to put a link below here. You can just send me a coffee or whatever free you feel like you want to give me support. You can always give me support, or I'm going to give you a link below. On the other way around, also, you guys who are interested in my book for jQuery, you can also let me know, because I'm going to put the link below on where you guys can download my jQuery book, a simplified book using jQuery. And also, you guys who want to join a full course with me, go to onlinecourses.osppro.com to get a chance to learn with me. I'll be sharing the advanced way how to use jQuery even on a real applications, so that you see. And on this, after you guys joining this video with me, implies in the advanced version, I'll use the real database and configuration to you guys who are interested, who are learning HTML and CSS, and you want to make a mobile app. That will be a good way for you, because we shall be using jQuery mobile, which is the simple stuff to deal with the jQuery to come up with a mobile app for jQuery. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned to the next video where we're going to be learning upon as jQuery selectors. Say thank you guys. Love you. Thank you.